Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add Aliexpress products to Shopify using Dser. The first thing you want to do, once on your Shopify admin page, you are going to select apps in the bottom left hand corner, and in the search bar I want you to type in Dser. Then you are going to press enter. After doing that, you will be led to this page, and from here I want you to simply select Dser right here. After you have tapped on it, the next thing you are going to do is tap on Add App. Once you have tapped on Add App, you will be redirected to this page. Just give it a few seconds. Once on this page, I want you to tap on Install App in the top right hand corner. After you have installed Dser to your Shopify store, the next thing you are going to do is tap on Create an account for yourself. And you can see your Shopify email address has been used to create Dser account login. If this is your registered account, you can try logging in. And I'll simply tap on Login if you want. After you have signed in, you'll be directed to this page, and from here you can simply tap on I agree right there, then tap on authorize. You can simply tap on I will explore freely. And okay, once on this page, all you have to do in the search bar right here, you can simply tap on it and you can search for the product that you would like to add to your store. So let's say, for example, I want to add a flashlight, so I'll simply type in flashlight, then tap on search. By the way, you can also tap on ship from, so you can choose where you would like it to ship from. So for example, United States or so on. Then you are going to simply scroll down, and from here you will see the product. So you can simply tap on add to import list. So you could tap on that right here. Then you'll see product important. The product imported successfully. Please go to import list to check. And you can simply tap on go to import list right here. And by the way, the import list is on the left hand option. As you can see right here, here's the product. So from here, all you have to do is simply scroll down and you can see the product right here. So you could simply tap right here to tick it. And you'll tap on push to Shopify. And by the way, before even pushing it to Shopify, I should show you something else. You can simply tap on the product. Let me show you real quick. You can select the product right here. So you'll tap on more actions, and then you could check the shipping info and so on. And you can also tap on the pencil icon. And from here, it will open up the product details. Then you could tap on variants, and after selecting variants, you could simply delete some of the variants if you do not want to add all of the variants to your Shopify store. So you could simply tap on the ones that you would like to delete by simply tapping on the trash can in the right hand corner. As this is the problem that most persons have when they are creating a Shopify store and they are uploading products from Aliexpress. Some of the time they get a message that there are too many variants, so they get an error problem. So you can delete the variants that you would not want to be added to your Shopify store. After you have done that, you'll simply tap on save. Then you are going to tap on push to Shopify store. So you are going to tap the ticket, then tap on push to Shopify store. Then from here, you are going to tap on push to Shopify again and give it a few seconds. Once it has been successfully pushed, all you have to do is simply go back into Shopify. Then from here, you'll tap on products. And you can see the product right here. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the product name and you'll be redirected to the product page. And once on the product page, you can customize it whichever way you like. So you could edit the specifications right here. You can also edit the title, and you can scroll down and you can add a product category right here, and you can also add it to a specific collection if you want, and you can add tags better yet in this section, and you can delete any one of the media that you would like to remove. Let's say, for example, I want to delete this picture right here. I'll simply tap on the box. Then after selecting the box, all you have to do is simply scroll down and you'll tap on delete file. Then you'll tap on delete. And after you have deleted the file, you could scroll down, and from here you could edit the variants by tapping on edit. You can also edit ship from. So let's say I want to remove Russian Federation. I could simply scroll down, then tap on the trash can beside the Russian Federation, then tap on done. And from here you can also change the price, as it will automatically upload with the price from Aliexpress. So to change the price, all you have to do is tap on price right here. And let's say I want to change the price to $15. You could simply tap on change price. Then you'll tap on edit. And you could add the cost price. So you are going to add the cost price. So the cost price was $9. So you can see that the profit will be $6, and you can see the margin, and you can scroll down, then you'll tap on done. So the $15 will be the price that you will see on your Shopify store. That's the price that customers will see. And you can simply tap on save. Then you'll tap on save product. Now that we have saved the product, the next thing that I want you to do is simply scroll up. Then you're going to tap right where you see. Let me go back. You're going to go on next is simply tap on the eye right here to preview it on your online store to see if it is to your liking. And as you can see right here, scrolling down. And again, let me tap on this one right here. You can see this has the price that I had changed it to. And any one of these variants that are out of stock, you can simply remove them as I showed you earlier. You can delete any one of those variants.